Hey, it's Jad T. Jones. Today we're going to talk about overcoming the fear of approaching women, also known as approach anxiety. Fear is nothing but separation. You're here, the woman is here, and between you is time and space. It is the time and space between you and women that is causing the fear. In order for you to collapse the fear, you need to collapse the time and space and become one with the thing you fear. So let's talk about this. You're over here, the woman is over here. You're hesitating, you're waiting. Okay, let me wait for the right moment. As you're waiting, what is happening? You are allowing this time to exist and this space to exist. When time exists, time and space, then you think of all these different scary scenarios, right? Fear is nothing but you traveling in psychological time and, creating scenarios in your head. So, if fear is only possible with time and space, that means that means a fearless state is possible by collapsing time and space and becoming one with the thing you fear. When you walk up to a woman and start talking to her, there is no fear. At that moment, all that's left is attention. Okay? Let's take an analogy. You want to jump off a high diving board, okay? Or a high cliff. You go up to the cliff, you stand there, and you look down. We all know the longer you stand on that cliff, the less likely you're going to jump off. Why? Because of the time that you're spending there, you're just increasing your fear more and more. Now, if you're experienced at diving off high diving boards like I am, you know that the secret is you need to go up there, make a decision, and then go to the edge and just jump right away. You know that you got to do that quick. Similarly, I know from experience that when I see a woman I want to approach, then I just go right away because I want to collapse that time and space gap as fast as possible so that I can experience the least amount of fear as possible. And I know through experience that when I become one with women, in that becoming one with the woman, there is no longer any fear. There is just heightened attention. So, if you're suffering from approach anxiety, then what you need to do is collapse as quickly as possible, collapse this time and space gap. Let me leave you with one more story. Just a few nights ago, I was invited to a dance party. Now, this dance party involved 4 different types of dances. I only knew one type of dance, okay? But so I was starting to feel nervous, like, oh, should I even go to this dance thing? I don't know how to dance most of the dances. How am I going to even recognize which song is which type of dance, all that stuff. And then quickly, within a minute or less, I stopped myself. I said, Jad, don't be nervous. You teach this stuff. What do we need to do? And then in my mind, I said, okay, I'm going to go there and I'm just going to dance right away. And I'm just going to dance the whole night. And I'm not going to let not knowing how to dance certain types of dances intimidate me. So what did I do? I went to the party and then right away I invited a girl to dance and I danced. And when I got her to the dance floor, I said, hey, I don't actually know how to dance this dance. We're just going to freestyle. And then we danced, we freestyled. She had a great time. I had a great time. Boom, off the dance floor. Next song, go to another woman. Hey, would you like to dance? Boom, brought her to the dance floor. Hey, I don't know how to dance on this music, but we're just going to dance anyways and have a good time. Okay, fine. Boom. So you see, I repeatedly went boom and became one with the environment. Boom. Became one with the women. Boom. Became one with my fear. Hey, I can't dance, but let's dance anyways. Boom. When you collapse that gap and you become one, you fuse with what you fear, fear is not possible. Fear is only possible when there is separation. Let's say that again. Fear is only possible when there's separation. The secret is to, boom, boldly go after, and make yourself one with the thing you fear, in this case, women. So when you go out and you see women, don't wait too long. Boom, go and become one. And know that when you become one with those women over there, the fear will disappear. And what will replace it is a heightened attention. Now, may you still be a little nervous talking to them? Yeah, but that's different than your fear. Now you're going to feel great and maybe a little nervous at the same time. That's fine. But the thing we need to get rid of is fear. And the way to get rid of fear is to get rid of the time and space between you and the thing that you're afraid of. Boom. In oneness, by definition, there is no fear. Fear, by definition, means separation. So, when you refuse to tolerate separation, you abolish fear from your life. This is Jad T. Jones. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next.